And Barcena will drives inside lace. Baget for two. Barcena. And it's Ataide. The follow-up. Oh, alley pass. The love pass and the finish. Kabuno. Ramudaro for three. Bang! Basket and one. Napilay to middle. Bounce pass inside the lace. Basket and one. Welcome to Do or Die quarterfinals between Nueva Ecija versus Ilocos Sur. Barcena for the Ilocos Sur, dribbling the ball. Barcena now at the top, attacking the defense, the floater short. Rebound by number 3. And it's Ataide, the follow-up. Oh, alley pass, the love pass and the and spins. Recovered by Ursulum. Ursulum now goes inside. Pinabitin, won't go. Rebound dito para sa Nueva Ecija. Kicks it out, launches on 3. Bang! 3-point. And Barcena will drives inside lace. Baget for 2. Barcena. Daro inbounding. Pass to Kabuno. Ramudaro for 3. Bang! Basket and 1. Napilay. Fakes. Wings area. Takulad for 3. Negid. Rebound, Kabunok, the rebound. And attacks Garcia. Negid. The follow-up shot, Garcia will finish. And here you go, Ataide. Takulad goes to the screen by Garcia. Pull-up jumper, the free throw area, Negid. Rebound, Takulad, the side step, lost the handle. And Storen. Kabahan, the follow, the alley pass. Oh, Ramudaro the finish. The pass. Kabahan. Ahoy! Nadapa, step back. Ramudaro. Bang! Ramudaro. Now at the top, the pass. Ramos. Dribble the ball. Pass to Cristobal. To Ramos. Ramos goes to the middle. The wings area picks. Goes inside the floater. Not good. Rebound. And pass to the middle. Ramos with a finish. Rebudero. Barcena. Pupunas ng sapatos. Barcena dancing. Attacking. Placing. Yes sir! Barcena. And here's Kalamay. Kalamay dribbling. Attacking. Rejected. And the pass break. And here's Fakes. Oh, gisanda passes to and here's Ramos. Pass to Cristobal. Pass to the middle. Bounce pass inside the lace. Basket and 1. Barcena high pass. Tolentino. The pass. The 5. Baget for 2. It's the end of the Rams Nueva Ecija. Ataide to the hoops. Baget for 2. Ataide. Rebudero. Pass to the corner. Pull up jet 3. No good. Rebound. And it's Takulad. The pass to the middle. 4-3. No good. Rebound. To the middle floater shot. Won't go. Reverse layup. Yes sir. Takulad. Inibit ng dalawa. The pass. Inside pass. Kabonok. Pass. Baget for 2. Kabonok. And the pass. And Barcena the least. No good rebound and the follow-up shot by Tolentino. Takulad kicks out. Fires at 3. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Baseball pass. Eksakto yung pasa kay Ursulum. Baget for 2. Ursulum boy sinuntok. And the pass. Ursulum through the rim. No good. Rebound and a putback. Basket and 1. Ursulum. Calosa, pass to number 33, goes to the corner. To the middle for 3. Bang! 3-point! And attacks. Crossover, spinning. Stops, open look. Bang! Bars. And drives, kicks out. Framil holds the ball. Framil deep 3. Bang! 3 points from. And here you go, Kalamay. Pass to number 34. To the middle, spinning. Cristobal, corner pass. Pull-up jumper, Kalamay of the window. Manny, Kalamay. Barcena, cross pass, Ursulum. He goes to the screen. The pass. Dribble the ball. Deep three. Bang! Triple! Pass. Cristobal. Pass to Ramos. Bounce pass to number 11. And here's Ramos. Will drives inside. Bucket for 2. Ramos tumambling pa. And Cristobal for 3. No good. Rebound put back. Bucket for 2. Kalamay. Barcena. Behind the back pass. Ball is stolen. And recover by Barcena. Inside pass. The alley pass. Lob pass and the finish. And Barcena with the ball. Dribble the ball. The pass to Ursulum. Bounce pass inside. Cabonok. Will Faro. Ginaldagan yung tatlo. Barcena. Bump. Stops. Hook pass, stolen. And the pass. And fakes, reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Friday inbounding. Passes to Takulad. Ay, pass. Pick and roll na good. Rebound pa rin number 11. And pass to Atayde. Atayde will drive, will bump, floater shot. Bullseye, Atayde. And here comes team Nueva Ecija. Drives inside Liz. Bucket for 2. And Atayde is spinning, passing, stall or recover. And Atayde kicks out number 11 sa gitna. Takulad inside pass. Garcia, basket and 1. Sumigaw pa. And is Takulad spinning. Bounce pass. Garcia. And the long pass. And a fire, bounce pass, and basket is good. And to the middle, pull up jumper, tie game, Takulad, ties the game. Barcena, long pass, nauna na 1 bounce and Liz, bucket for 2, Agisanda. And here you go, Barcena behind the back dribble, crosses over. Barcena goes inside pass, fires off the glass, bucket for 2, Caban. And picks floater, nugget, rebound, Barcena. And the pass break, nauna na, Caban. Hook pass, sa likod, fires, Tolentino, basket is good. Oh! And your team, Nueva Ecija, Talosa, corner pass. Cristobal stops, spins, corner. And crosses over. Inside pass. Calosa. Reverse layup. And is stolen by Ursulum. And the long pass. Nauna na. Agisanda. Easy bracket. High pass. 4-3. Framil. Bang. 3 points. Framil. Stolen by Ursulum. Ursulum goes to the inside. He fires. Bucket for 2. Ursulum. Seconds on the game clock. And the long pass. That's the end. And here's number 7. Floater shot. Bucket. Tinakdak ba? As to. And the pass back. Remuredo. Wala. Bucket for 2. And here's Agisanda. Kicks out. Kobiko goes inside. Fires. No good. Follow-up shot. Bucket for 2. Kobiko. High pass. And a 1 bounce. Balana. Bucket for 2. Balana stops. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Tolentino. All alone to the hoops. Easy to Tolentino. Atayde. Pass to the corner. Bounce pass. And fires. Long 3. Bang! 3 points. Remudero. Pass to Tolentino. Pass to Barcena. Tolentino. Remudero. Fires at 3. No good. Ataide. Pass to the wings area. Dribble the ball. Cross pass is stolen by Tolentino. Pass to Barcena. Bump. Delays. Bakit for two. Barcena. And Takulad. Pass back. Water. Bakit for two. For the inbound. Tolentino. Dribble the ball. Tolentino against Balana. He's spinning. Tolentino. Pass to Cabauan. Inside pass. Now post up. Cabono kinatid. Tatlo yung guwardiya na agawan. And the pass. Ataide. Inside pass. The pass to Ataide. Sa gitna. Floater shot. Bakit for two? Tino now inbounding. The high pass to the middle. Remudero. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Nice pass. And a good finish. Cabawan. Pass. Ataide. Ataide. Pass to number 11. Inside pass. Tatabikan. And here you go, Barcena. Barcena side step. Oh! First throw. No good. Second throw. No good. And last 1 minute on the game clock. Takulad with the ball. He crossed the mid lane. He's slowly dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass to the middle, number 11. And is Ataide. Stops. Picks. Kicks out to the middle. Takulad. Taking it easy. Inside pass. Ang gandang deliver. Kicks out. Miscommunication. 1 second on the shot clock. Balana with the inbound. Launches on three. Short. Rebound. Inside pass. Post up. Pull up jumper. Tie game. Takulad. 14 second shot clock. Remudero inbounding. Passes to Barcena. Barcena asking for pick. Barcena. Shot clock down to 7. Barcena attacks, stops, cross pass, inside pass Cabonok, will pass, offensive foul, offensive. The inbound, 14 seconds of the game, stolen, and the pass inside, he's stolen it back. Oh, 6 seconds on the game clock, lost the ball, he's stolen back, 2 seconds, Tolentino, pass, di umabot. That's it. Takulad, overtime. Ataide, Garcia. Bounce pass inside, ang gandang pasa and a good finish. And 2-point lead for team Nueva Ecija. Bounce pass and here's Barcena for the tie. Tie game, Barcena. Number 11 dribbling the ball now at the top. Pass to the wing side. Takulad goes to the screen, will attack, will lace, rejected. And the pass break. And 2-on-1. Cabales, no good. Follow-up shot, yes sir. Change favor. And 82-80. Sa gitna. Launches on 3. Takulad won't go. Ursulum. Side step. Penetrates. Reverse layup. Basket. Ursulum. And crosses over. Barcena. Pass to Ursulum. Drives. Inside lace. Bucket. Ursulum. 6-point lead. And bounce pass. Ursulum. Pass to Caban. Ursulum holds the ball. Ursulum dribble the ball. Goes to the middle. Attacks. The fire. No good. And recover fires. Basket is good. Sumigaw pa Gisanda. Ursulum now inbounding. And Ursulum inside pass. The hollow pass. Base. Finish for Cabauan. For 3. Bang! Triple! Oh! Congratulations!